Returns are rising, and if left unchecked, retailers could be faced with a trillion-dollar problem. Let's look at the numbers. E-commerce purchases are 3 times more likely to be returned when compared to in-store purchases. And as e-commerce purchases go up, so do the likelihood of returns, along with other costs, like overhead to cover last-mile delivery, increased carbon emissions, excess packaging, and lost revenues from unsellable goods that ultimately end up in landfills or in our oceans. So how can retailers get ahead of this costly issue? Retailers can use insights from customer data to offer tools or services that help customers make better purchase decisions. They can connect online and offline inventory data to know how an item is being returned and where there may be demand for it. And with returned items routed to the right places and the right people, retailers can resell faster, creating a returns process that's both seamless and more profitable. Returns aren't going anywhere anytime soon, but by focusing on customer experience and supply chain, retailers can make them a bit more manageable.